In this video, we will discuss how to divide mixed numbers. So let's get started. All right, so when we are dividing mixed numbers, we're still gonna be using our same exact keep, change, flip process. The only thing that we are adding in is changing any mixed numbers into improper fractions first, just like we did when we were multiplying. So let's see what that looks like. All right, you bought a bag of dog food that has 20 cups of food in it. Bruno and Dozer together eat 3 1/3 cups each day. How many days will the food last? So essentially, we're splitting up the 20 cups of dog foods, that's what we had, and then we're making 3 1/3 groups. 20 over 1 divided by 3 1/3. Now here is where we're going to use our keep, change, flip. But we're first going to change this 3 1/3 to an improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10 over 3. So that is a fraction, that is actually the fraction we're going to be working with. So now 20 over 1 stays the same. Change to multiplication, and then flip our 10 over 3 to become 3 over 10. Now 20 times 3 is 60. 1 times 10 is 10. 60 divided by 10 would give us 6 days. Again, same keep, change, flip process. All we had to do was change our mixed number into an improper first. And we do that by multiplying our denominator by our whole. 3 times 3 is 9, and adding in our numerator to get 10. All right, you have 6.5 yards of yarn, so this is what we're splitting. We're splitting the 6.5 yards of yarn. Each bracelet requires a 1/4 yard, so that's going to be our groups. How many bracelets can you make? All right, 6.5 divided by 1/4. 6.5 as an improper fraction. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13 over 2. And that's going to be my keep. Change to multiplication. 1/4 becomes 4 over 1. All right, 13 times 4 would be 52. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we're not going to say I can make 52 halves bracelets. 52 divided by 2 would give us 26. So I can make 26 bracelets. All right, let's keep moving. You have 3.5 pounds of turkey, so this is what we have. This is what we're splitting. So I know that's what's going to go first. That's what's in front of us, 3.5 pounds of turkey. You make 7 sandwiches with it. How much turkey is in each sandwich? All right, so I have 3.5 pounds divided into 7 sandwiches, and I'm going to write that over 1. You might be saying, but miss, the 7 is bigger, so it should go first. Not always the case. Not always the case. All right, let's change 3.5. 3 times 2 is going to be 6, plus 1 is going to be 7 over 2. And that's my keep. Change to multiplication times 7 over 1 becomes 1 over 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. All right, 7 over 14 can be simplified. I can divide both of these numbers by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So each sandwich has a 1/2 pound. Remember, LB stands for pounds. All right, and we are going to stop there, and we will pick this up soon. All right, bye guys.